The trench knife, originally designed for close combat in World War I, remains a reliable weapon and is now available at reasonable prices. The M48 Liberator model features a 19 cm stainless steel 2SAR-13 blade, known for its razor-sharp edge and durability, with a satin finish. Its fiberglass-reinforced nylon handle ensures a secure grip. This knife's formidable appearance alone can deter potential threats. The M48 Liberator, including its case, is priced at $80. As gun owners, we've all felt the heavy responsibility and moral dilemma it entails. Byrna recognized the need for a non-lethal self-defense option that could effectively stop a threat from a distance. They introduced their pneumatic gun, designed to shoot pepper or tear gas-filled balls, incapacitating an attacker for up to half an hour. The SD version has an 18-meter range and includes 15 balls of 3 different types, 2 5-ball magazines, and 2 8-gram CO2 canisters, all for $380. The Byrna Shield appears like an ordinary backpack, but in an emergency, it can deploy a protective plate in seconds. The Level 3 Plus version can stop bullets from a 7.62 by 51mm rifle at a distance of 15 meters. It also supports the M system, allowing you to carry first aid supplies, a flashlight, or other gear. A bleeding stop kit is included. However, this advanced protection comes at a cost. The top-tier version is priced around $900. In 2017, casual target shooters were delighted by the top Sling slingshot. Responding to requests for a more compact and portable version, the creators introduced the Mini Sling, a tiny slingshot that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, even with its case. Weighing only 37 grams, it is so lightweight that you might forget it's in your pocket, yet it remains impressively accurate up to 15 meters. Users can choose from various ammunition types, including pepper spray balls for added effect, paint-filled projectiles for marking targets, or traditional rubber ammo. Showcased at the SHOT Show, the Mini Sling is a unique and versatile addition to any collection, suitable for both recreational use and self-defense. It is available for approximately $150. Cold steel, known for its innovations in edged weapons like the Sanmai 3 blade steel and tri-adlock mechanism, also excels in crafting sword canes. Their heavy-duty version features a 5.5mm thick blade made from 3CR13 stainless steel with a length of 61 centimeters, making it highly effective for self-defense. The overall cane length is 95 centimeters, with a nylon handle. For a unique touch, there's a model with a handle resembling the classic M48 pistol. Cold steel sword canes are available for $133. Each year, 1.3 million women in the US face assault, a startling statistic. Pavashot aims to help with 2 innovative products. The pen shot, disguised as a pen, can shoot up to 9 meters. The stick shot, with a longer range of 15 meters, lacks the disguise but is equally effective. Both use capsaicin spray derived from capsicum peppers rated at 16 million Scoville units, capable of temporarily disabling an attacker without requiring perfect aim. The pen shot costs $149, while the stick shot is $99. For $359, the Tightener fan offers a durable and lightweight solution to beat the heat and ensure your safety. Despite being tough enough to break bricks, it weighs only 158 grams or 249 grams, depending on the version, thanks to its titanium body and water-resistant silk screen. It also offers customization options, including a 24-karat gold-plated screen and glow-in-the-dark inserts. The fan's flexible and effective design makes it suitable for self-defense, and the makers claim it will last a lifetime with a replaceable screen if needed.